was just gonna post my Peekaboo card for Nemo, and I thought, okay, I'm doing my post. I gotta go get my file to post it there to share with you who support me on Patreon. This is only for you guys. And then I looked at the file because I did this like 3 weeks ago, and I was working on it and trying to get it done, and everything came up. So anyway, enough with the excuses. But I want to do this short little video to show you what these things are. Please watch the other video in this post so you can see how to put it together and how this all goes first. And then you can watch this video so I can explain what these are. By now you should have watched the video. Pause this one, go get the other one if you haven't seen it. These two pieces, the blue and the green, you don't have to use. I did these because they made it easier for me, and I think they'll make it easier for you. This piece would get put here. Like, this is the piece that had Nemo on it, and this is the piece, the blue one is the one that would have Dory. And these are score lines that are the same size as these. This is so you know what will be seen on this page, okay? You don't really need to score these. You can just take the score tool out, or you can hide it. Once you have your picture the way you want it, and now it's making it a solid line. I don't know why it's solid now. And it was just like this one. So this one will probably switch to solid too. No, I don't know. I don't think it matters. But it is a score line. As you can see, it's scored. But you don't really need to score it. I only use that so we know that it goes in here. You could score this and just have it cut out a piece of paper with it scored, and then you know if you want to stamp inside here, you know exactly where it fits. So that could be helpful. So if you're going to change this to print like I did and add a pattern, you can do all that. You can just click here, print patterns, and choose a pattern you want. And then you can edit it or whatever, and you can take an image and select the two and flatten it on there. But I don't want to do that, so we're just going to undo. You have so many possibilities with this card. But I just wanted to show you that's why these are here, kind of just for placement, because this is what you'll see here, okay? And there's also these. These are the pieces that cut out in the center. You could change these to different colors and just place these down on the thing too. So I just wanted to let you guys know if this looks confusing. That's what it is. You don't have to score these. But I thought, like when I was putting the Nemo and stuff there, I knew right where to put them because of these lines. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.